and welcome to week 3 for our nutritional videos for Fit Club Boxing Studio Ultimate 8-Week Challenge Series 2. So this week we're going to be discussing protein. So why do we need it and why is it important? They are used in the body extensively. There's a multitude of different things that proteins do in your body. Most important for us would be muscle growth and maintenance. So if you break down those muscle tissues during a class, proteins will help repair and restore them. Also, they are really important for hormone regulation. So human growth hormone, insulin, all of these really important hormones in your body. You need a good quality source of protein in the body so that your body can operate properly with those hormones. They also do a number of other things, enzymes in your digestive tract. So if you want to get the most out of your food, proteins are important for that. They also help to control our electrolyte and fluid balance in the body. They can help fight viruses and disease. Plus, as a last resort, proteins can also be used as an energy reserve if you've run out of carbohydrates and fats. So you can see why proteins are super important. So another important point about proteins are that they are amino acids. So don't get the two confused. A lot of people hear about amino acids and proteins. It's the same thing, right? Proteins are amino acids. What we need to know is that there's about 20 amino acids that the body commonly uses. 9 of those you need to get from nutrients in your food. Okay, so 9 of them they're considered essential amino acids. Now you can't produce those in your body. So it's really important that you get and you source those 9 essential amino acids from the foods that you ingest, yeah? So following along with that, the foods that you ingest, the best way to ensure that you can get those 9 essential amino acids is to eat high quality proteins. So your proteins from animals, eggs, they're a great source. They have all of those essential amino acids your body needs. So does all of your lean meat and your fish. You can also go so far as to have all your dairy products as well. Of course, another source of proteins are from your plant sources. So your broccolis, your wheat, all of those good plant sources can definitely give you some good amino acids. However, they're not as digestible. So what about supplements? Supplements are big these days. Advertising campaigns will tell you that you can't do without them. Well, I'm going to tell you that that's wrong. Okay, so you don't need all of your protein powders. You don't need to be having bars. You don't need to be going overboard on protein. Especially in Australia with the amount of meat that most of us will eat, we really do not need to have any more. Okay, so your body will also get more nutrients out of food than it does out of powders. Okay, so don't waste your money. You can definitely get enough protein just in what you eat. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do your health a favor, and get rid of most of your protein powders. Just pretty much throw them out, save yourself some cash, get in and make sure you eat some good high quality proteins and you'll benefit from it. So if you want to check that out in more detail about protein supplementation and whether it in fact increases your performance or not, just have a look down here and there'll be a link at the bottom of the screen and that'll give you a page to go to. Have a look at that. It talks about your metabolism and how it's affected by protein powders or whether food is best to go with. So have a read of it and it will make your mind up for you. So how much protein should you be ingesting? Well, the recommended dietary allowance, coming straight from the National Health and Medical Research Council, so they're going to suggest that we have 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. So if you take a 60 kilogram individual, they should be having roughly 54 grams per day. Now that's just for general health. For everyone here at Fit Club and for people who are training extra hard, you can bump the recommendations up slightly just to ensure that you're getting enough to supply the muscles with all that they need. So a really good key is just go 1 gram per kilogram of body weight per day. I weigh 72 kilos, I would need roughly about 72 grams of protein every single day. To get the most out of your protein, you have a 30-minute window directly after exercise, okay, when your body is primed to accept those proteins back into the body so it can repair and restore that muscle tissue. So if you can get a good high quality protein source in immediately after your workout, 30 minutes, don't go more than 30 minutes without getting that protein in, your body will repair itself stronger, faster, fitter, better. So that's it for the protein wrap up. I hope there was some good information in there for you. I would like to finish this presentation. I just want to see some people posting online your favorite protein source. So take a picture of you eating your favorite protein source. It might be chicken, it might be meat, it could be something else that's not quite so good for you. But look, post it online, tag yourself in the picture, and I'm sure Fit Club will come up with something for you to have just to say thank you for posting online. So that's it for this week. Hope you've got something out of it again. And next week, make sure you stay tuned because carbohydrates coming up, and that's going to be a key one. Thanks for tuning in.